So how do you open files on the iPad? How does it work? So at first we need to realize or know where exactly we are, where the file is coming from, and what type of file we are talking about. Obviously, for example, if we download a PDF from the internet, from Safari, now what do we do? Well, you can click on download and open it up within a Safari, but now how do you open it up later on your iPad? How do you store it? How do you keep it? Well, you have few options. By clicking on the share icon, you get to pick few options, and already you can find many different apps which can take care of that. So naturally you can save it into a drive, a Dropbox, and many different third-party apps depending on which ones are available on your iPad. However, below you have the option to save to files. And Files is the Apple's official application to browse and organize files on your iPad. So this is the safe bet because you can save in here pretty much any kind of file type, and then you can open it up later. So it's very useful in that sense, and that's how you can always just access it whenever you need to. So Apple's Files app is the best choice to store and open literally any kind of file type. What's important to acknowledge also is that some apps and some third-party solutions might actually be better. So when it comes to opening the PDF, well, it is possible within the Files app or within the built-in methods, but for more features and more editing tools, a third-party PDF editor will most definitely get a better job done. So that is something I would advise you to go with, right? So inside of the App Store, look up a PDF editor, whether it might be Adobe Acrobat or some kind of third-party one. Who cares, right? Just try one and just go with the one which works for you. Naturally, I'm talking about PDFs as just an example. Outside of that, you might get the Word document, which can be then used with apps like Pages from Apple, or spreadsheets, which can be used with Google Spreadsheets or Microsoft Excel, or even the numbers from Apple. So you can see that there are more options. So if you cannot really open and use your files within the built-in methods, look at some third-party solutions in the App Store, and you'll then be able to use those apps to open your files and even perform changes or do whatever you gotta do. So that's it. I'm not gonna make the video any longer. So thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up, most definitely subscribe, and I'll see you in the future tutorials.